Dear students of class 6, welcome to the English class. Today's topic is discourse, letter writing under Unit 8. A letter is a written form of a message conveyed from one person to another by post. In other words, you can say a letter is a communication in written form. These are the different forms of letter, maybe a postcard, envelope, or an email. These are the modes of delivery: by road, electronic mail, by internet, by air, and by train. Let's see the types of letter. These are of two types. One is formal letter and the other one is informal letter. Let's understand when to write formal letter and when to write informal letter. Formal letter is official letters, and these are used in offices, institutions, businesses, etc. And official letter must be very simple, direct, and short sentences are used. Whereas in informal letter, these are referred as personal letters, letters to family, friends, and relatives. The language is more casual and are in emotional tone. When do we write an informal letter? Asking for or giving advice or information, inviting somebody for an occasion, congratulating somebody, expressing condolences, apologizing for something, sharing experiences. For all these reasons, we write an informal letter. How to write an informal letter? Let's see the format. This is an updated format. We begin the letter with the sender's address in 3 lines. We leave a line, write the date, leave a line, and salutations. Then body of the letter, that should be in 3 paragraphs. First para with introduction, second one with main content or the reason to write the letter. Next comes the conclusion, that is a closure. Subscription, then comes the signature. Finally, superscription on the envelope, that is the address on the envelope. In informal letter, we can use contractions like am, I have, you are, isn't, and also we can use exclamations like oh, wow, alas, oh my god in a emotional tone. This is the format in detail. Let's see. As I told you that a letter begins with the sender's address in 3 lines. Here is a sample for you how to write: first house number, then comes the colony, and next comes the city. Next step is date, should be written in this format: day, month, and year format. Next step is salutation, using dear and their first name. If the letter is for the parents, you can use dear mom, dear dad, or if it is for a friend, you can use their name, dear Ria. Next comes the body of the letter. In the introduction part, we ask about the person's health and well being. The body of the letter, we state the main reason to write the letter. And the third paragraph, conclusion, we write the summary. Next comes the subscription. Here it is called as complimentary closure by saying your loving friend, yours lovingly, yours affectionately. Signature, where you need to write your name in full and a signature. The final step is superscription, which means address in detail on the envelope. That means it is a receiver's address. Children, now you understood the format of a letter. An informal letter. This is a sample letter given in the text. We'll see. Tallada, 29th November 2011. Dear Raju, I am fine here and hope the same with you. I have been to my uncle's place in Hyderabad during Dasara holidays. In Hyderabad, I visited Ramoji Film City, Nehru Zoological Park, Charminar, and Salajing Museum. I liked all the places very much. It was a thrilling experience for me. Make a trip to Hyderabad in the summer vacation. There are so many tourist places in Hyderabad that are worth visiting. Yours lovingly, Kamlesh. The final step is receiver's address on the envelope. That is 2 Raju, house number 10-51, KSP Road, Palvancha, pin code 507115. There is an updated format. You need to write in that format where the address has been shifted to the left side. Nowadays, people are writing everything with the left alignment in the letter format. Now, write a letter to your friend describing a place that you have visited recently. So, this is an updated format of letter. You need to start with the sender's address with the left alignment from top to the bottom of the letter, everything towards the left. Start with the sender's address 245 Gandhinagar, Secunderabad. Leave a line, write the date 20th April. Dear Rashmi or Rohit, you can choose any of the names. I received your letter. I am good and hope the same with you. Recently, during the Dashara vacation, we went on a tour to Vizag. It's a pleasant place in the coastal region of Andhra Pradesh. We visited Kailasagiri, RK Beach, the lighthouse, the port, and the Dolphin Nose Mountain. From there, we had been to Araku Valley, where we visited the Bora Caves, Tribal Museum, and the coffee plantation. It was a memorable holiday tour. We enjoyed a lot and had fun. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt. Thanking you. Yours affectionately, Veena or Vinay. Give your name. As a final step, you need to write the receiver's address on the envelope. To Rashmi or Rohit, take any name. Write the house number, JP Nagar, Vijayawada. This is the format. In this way, you practice writing some more letters. Go through the worksheets for the sample letters. Practice the given situations. Children, follow the format of the letter and try to write some more letters. Happy learning. Thank you.